See you, Angel.
안녕하세요.
So you will get your 7th week, no? 7th Saturday. So 250 for the tuition fee and then 100 for your allowance and milk tea.
Uncle Kim Yusunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Are you ready na ka for school on Monday?
Yes.
How about your school supplies? Ready na pod?
Magpalit pa.
Wala pa. So you're not prepared. Okay. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So Leah Rich, you are playing volleyball?
Yes.
Yeah, I say because your arms are so dirty. So later on, after playing, wash your hands and also your body, okay? Take a rest before you will take a bath, okay? And I am here to deliver your 2,000 pesos from Las Vegas team.
Las Vegas team, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
So enjoy playing. Have a good time. Take your time because on Monday is your class already, right? Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.
Nika, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Okay. Why? Shy ka? Okay. So, mo school nakakarong 29 Monday. Nya unsa naka-grade? Unsa naka-grade? Grade 3. Okay. So, I'm here to deliver 1,500. Okay. And that is for your school supplies, Inday, ha. Kuyog mo sa imong lola, mo palit mo og school supplies, ha. Okay. And that is from Konjehanim. Okay. Konjehanim. Okay. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Teacher Virgie.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So I'm here to deliver 100 pieces of waffle. Okay. And that is from Chaji Hunim.
Chaji Hunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Grace.
안녕하세요.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the 100 pieces of waffle for the study room students. Okay. And already juice, no? Our drinks na nani mo?
Yes,
Okay. And that is from Las Vegas Nim.
Las Vegas team, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요 pa.
안녕하세요.
So you're now done at your work?
Yes.
Okay, so nag-overtime ka pa?
Yes. 2 hours
2 hours? Ato sa Maribago, no?
Yes.
So, since you've already done working here at our study room floor outside, so Handle Name gives you 500 pesos for your hard work. Thank you pa.
Handle name, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Pag ako lafo daw na yun.
Bye-bye.
Minom ka ko lafo.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye. Nakaw, rest, nakaw.
안녕하세요, Aiko Anika. Okay, wow, you look so beautiful tonight. Ano? So, gikan mo nagpa-haircut, no? Okay. Kinsa man nag-sponsor sa inyong haircut? Okay, what can you say? Okay. Turn around kuno, turn around sa imong haircut kuno. Turn around. Nika. And Aiko. Wow, Aiko. Smile sabi. Smile. Bye-bye.
So, Ate Jocelyn, you're asking for 100 pesos from your fans, right? Okay, so here is your 100 pesos. And that is from?
이창구님. 이창구님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, mananin mo ang money.
Next na.
Kalit na ni Miss na. Imong school supplies ate, kompleto ba? Kompleto na yung school supplies? Not yet? So, you just inform teacher ha if you need something, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 감사합니다.